Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a nice faux bang with a bun with some old hair I had in the house. These are like my in-between quick styles. I like to use some Gorilla Glue or just whatever's left around to lay my edges down. It just so happens to be Gorilla Glue and it's decent. I like it. Also, to gel up my ponytail, all I did was straighten my hair and I used some Gorilla Snot and spritz, and then I just tied it down, you know, the old school way you tie it down so it could get dry and, you know, be slick, right? So yeah, like I said, I'm using old hair around my house and some bobby pins. I used about 3 tracks total. One track was super long, so I just doubled it. Y'all about to see in just a second. And yeah, that's all it really was. I used my hair obviously for the bun, and the extra pieces just made the bun a little fuller and obviously to create the bang. Okay, so this look is just like real cute, real temporary, a nice little weekend thing, on a little date. The bang part from the bun, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut. How I like to cut my bang is I like to do the fold over method. Is it fold over? I think it's a fold over. You guys will see in just a second how you twist the hair and then cut, because it makes the sides of the bang longer than the middle of the bang, which I feel is so helpful when you're learning how to cut a bang, because you could definitely do straight across, but I don't know, this method just makes you have that whole illusion already. So all I'm going to do is just keep cutting until the bang is underneath my eyebrow, but way higher than my eyeshadow, because, you know, I wear makeup, okay? I don't want it too covered. So that's all I'm doing, and then I'm going to go ahead and bump it with my Hot Tools flat iron and just keep creating and molding. So with the bun, it was so simple. All I did was wrap it around once, but I didn't wrap it fully. I wrapped it, pinned it to create the body of it, to make it look really, really full. And you guys will see, it's self-explanatory. I just wanted to give y'all a little insight on my little quick styles, because y'all be asking me, but I'm so bad at recording like a on-the-go look. So I'm just trying to get better and give y'all some content on how I just create, you know? So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Comment below what you want to see. If y'all have any quick styles y'all want me to try, just let me know. Your girl will do it, okay? Peace out. Happy 2019. Happy New Year.